Hey everyone, I am Vaishali. Welcome to Engineers Class 202. Let's continue our first chapter, Mathematical Logic. Today we are going to learn some examples. So our first example is express the following compound statements symbolically without examining the truth values. Here we have to write only symbolic form without examining the truth values. So here our first example is 2 is an even number and 25 is a perfect square. Here two statements, statement 1 and this is statement 2 are connected by and, which is conjunction or known as and. So its solution is first statement, let P is our first statement. What is first statement? 2 is an even number. And second statement, consider it as Q. So Q, what is second statement? 25 is a perfect square. We have to write only symbolical form. No need to examine its truth value. So its symbolical form is, therefore the symbolical form is P and Q. Therefore the symbolical form is P and Q. Our next example is a school is open or there is a holiday. Here two statements are connected by connective disjunction or. So its solution is, let first sentence P, a school is open. The school is open. And second statement, let's denote it by Q. There is a holiday. There is a holiday. So its symbolic form is here two statements are connected by or. Therefore the symbolic form is P or Q. The symbolic form is P or Q. Our next example is Delhi is in India but Dhaka is not in Sri Lanka. So its solution is, let P, what is P? First statement, Delhi is in India. And second statement, Q, Dhaka is not in Sri Lanka. Dhaka is not in Sri Lanka. Here we have to take negation of this statement, that is negation of Q. Therefore the symbolic form is P and negation of Q. Its symbolic form is P and negation of Q, because here Dhaka is not in Sri Lanka. So we have to take negation of Q. So its symbolic form is P and negation of Q. Next example is 3 plus 8 greater than or equal to 12 if and only if 5 into 4 less than or equal to 25. So its solution is, first let P, what is P? 3 plus 8 greater than or equal to 12. And second statement, q 5 into 4 less than or equal to 25. Therefore the symbolic form is, two statements are connected by if and only if, that is biconditional or double implication. So its symbolic form is p double implication q or p biconditional q. Let's take a look on second example. Write the truth values of the following statements. Here we have to write its truth value. So our example is 3 is a prime number and 4 is a rational number. Here two statements are connected by connective and or conjunction. And first statement, 3 is a prime number, we know that it is correct, so its truth value is t. And 4 is a rational number, it is also correct, so its truth value is t. So its solution is, let p, first statement 3 is a prime number, and second statement q 4 is a rational number. 4 is a rational number. Therefore truth values of p and q truth values of p and q are true and true respectively. Both have truth value true and true. Therefore its symbolic form is, the symbolic form of given statement is, here two statements are connected by and, therefore its symbolic form is p and q. And we know that if p and q both are true, then its truth value is also true. Therefore the truth value of a statement is true. The truth value of a statement is true. Next example is, all flowers are red or all cows are black. Here two statements are connected by the connective or disjunction. And here we know that this statement is wrong, that is false. All flowers are red means it is false, and it is also false, all cows are black. So its solution is, let p, all flowers are red. And second statement is, all cows are black. Therefore its truth value is, truth values of p and q are, we know that both values are false. Therefore p and q are false and false respectively. Now its symbolic form is, its symbolic form is, here two statements are connected by or disjunction. We know that P or Q. So its symbolic form is P or Q, and both are false. P is false, Q is false. Then we know that if P false or Q false means both values are false, then P or Q, its value is also false. This is equivalence to false, means its truth value is false. Therefore, the truth value of given statement is false. Truth value of given statement is false. Next example is, if Mumbai is in Maharashtra, then Delhi is the capital of India. Solution is, let P, first statement, Mumbai is in Maharashtra. Mumbai is in Maharashtra. And second statement, Q, what is second statement? Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi is the capital of India. We know that its truth value is true and its truth value also true. Therefore the truth values of P and Q are true and true respectively. P have truth value T and Q also have truth value T, means truth. And its symbolic form is, two statements are connected by then, that is conditional or implication. Therefore, the symbolic form is P conditional Q. Then, that is P conditional Q or P implies Q. Therefore, and we know that if both values are true, then P implies Q also true. That is, it is equivalent to true implies true, means truth. Therefore, the truth value of the given statement is true. Therefore, truth value of given statement is true. Our next example is, milk is white if and only if the sun rises in the west. Here two statements are connected by if and only if, that is biconditional or double implication. So its solution is, let P, first statement, milk is white, and second statement, sun rises in the west. Here we know that its truth value is true and its truth value is false. Therefore, the truth values of P and Q are, truth value of P is true and truth value of Q is false respectively. And its symbolic form is, now therefore its symbolic form is, here two statements are connected by if and only if, that is biconditional or double implication. Therefore its symbolic form is P biconditional Q or P double implication Q. It is equivalence to P is truth, therefore here we take truth, double implication false. And we know that its truth value is true if both P and Q have same value, that is if they have either true or both have false. But here first is true and second is false, therefore its truth value is false. Therefore the truth value of given statement is false. Therefore truth value of given statement is false. Okay, this is everything for today. If you like this video, share to other people so that they can find this lesson, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any problem regarding to this topic, then leave us in the comment section. Maybe I will give you the correct answer. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.